Hey guys, my name is Aljen. This is the 10th day of the 30-day box experience. Today, I'll be making espresso using a washed process tabi varietal from Marina Salazar in Colombia. This coffee has notes of mandarin orange, hints of floral, and caramel. I'll be using 18 grams of coffee to 40 grams of water in a total brew time of 20 to 22 seconds. And now, let's enjoy a good cup. Always remember, the best coffee is the one you enjoy. And don't forget to share your brewing method and experience with us. Thank you very much, and don't stop brewing.